Any number divided by 1 is equal to what? Itself. Now, if we want to just make sure that Thumby is correct, and I go to my next point.
My name is Sarah Camarada, and I'm the middle school math teacher here at Williamsburg Northside. The Singapore math curriculum follows all of New York State standards for math. The only difference is how we present this material to our students. We want to make sure that all of our students know that everyone is capable of succeeding in math, and that there's a method that maybe every child feels comfortable using. We make sure that we offer different methods and how to present a problem using pictorial, abstract, and we want to ensure that students have choice, that they feel comfortable knowing the method and choosing what works best for them. Some of our students prefer using the pictorial version of using bar models, whereas others feel comfortable just plugging into formulas. The main difference in our curriculum is how the material is presented to all of our students. Our students truly understand the conceptual understanding behind all of these concepts, the how and the why, and most importantly, how are they applicable to the real world? And the most famous question we always get is, when will I ever use this in my life? And I can promise you, every section in Singapore math, that's always the closing section of the chapter, is when am I going to use this and how is this applicable?